From the city of Denton, this is a DTV Newsbreak.
I'm Natalie Rowe for the City of Denton with this DTV Newsbreak. A second public hearing on the proposed ethics ordinance is scheduled for April 3rd. It will take place during the regular meeting of the City Council, which begins at 6:30. If you can't make it in person, visit cityofdenton.com to leave a comment. Also, you can watch the meeting live there as well. The Denton County Genealogical Society had a meetup at the historic Emily Fowler Library to share and learn about the study of genealogy. With resources from the genealogical collection, their mission is to expand knowledge of Denton County's early history. Meetings are open to the public, from beginners to experts.
This was the first genealogy meetup meeting that we've had at the library, and it's just a time for people with a like interest of family history research or genealogy research to get together and ask questions and share information in a relaxed, informal setting. It's member driven, so if somebody comes in with a question, whether it be paper research or DNA research or how-tos, then they can ask their question and then the members can help try and find an answer or a resolution.
Learn about the 100 best plants for North Texas at a workshop on Saturday, April 7th. It takes place at Denton's Clear Creek Natural Heritage Center at 9. Learn about which plants are best suited for our area, how to properly plant them, and build a successful garden. Visit clearcreekdenton.com for more information. It's free to attend, but you must register in advance. Well, that does it for this edition of DTV Newsbreak. For the City of Denton, I'm Natalie Rowe. Thanks for watching.
Watch more city videos at youtube.com and visit our website. Stay connected with the city of Denton.